Hello everyone, welcome to the series of tips and tricks on monday.com. I am Rehan, certified Monday expert. Today I am going to show you how to communicate with your team on board level. Previously, when you wanted to get an update on task, you needed to come here and click on start conversation and then write update here, and same for the sub item level as well. But right now Monday has introduced a new feature of discussion. If you click on discussion, now you can talk on board level. It would be a board discussion. You can notify anyone on your board, on your workspace. Let's write down one of updates. Hi guys, what is the update? And we want to tag everyone on this workspace. Update. Okay, now the message will be here. Let me show you again quickly. Like that, it would be a board level discussion instead of going to each item and then discussing that. It's that pretty simple. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please ask in comments.